So in this video, we're going to talk about sizing and measuring a patient to get the best possible fit for our calf wrap liners. So you're going to have your patient stand up for you. Make sure they're hanging on to support. You might be jostling them around a little bit. And we want to make sure they're standing with equal weight on both feet. Okay, so the standing position is important and the equal weight because it can actually change sort of the size and shape of their calf muscles given the different positions that they might be in. So from this position, we're going to use our tape measure. And you can use either metric or imperial and grab the circumference of the widest part of the patient's calf. So for that, I'm just going to grab a few different measurements and see where I'm at. So I got 14 inches there. I got about 14 and a half there. And then I can tell them way down. So we're going to go with 14 and a half for our patient here.
All right, so with that measurement, we got the 14.5 inches as our widest calf circumference. We're going to enter that into the app under the calf wrap liner sizing section. So when I enter 14.5 inches, it jumps to medium and lets me know that that's the suggested size for this patient. However, if you want a better understanding of where within that range that circumference falls, we can try entering a half size up or down. So if I go down to 14.0, I'm still at a medium. And if I jump up to say 15, still at a medium. So I'm right about in the middle of that range. I can also use the last page of the donning guide with the calf wrap liner sizing chart to see where I fall within that range to know if I'm right at the edge of the size medium or if I'm right in the middle of it.
Another piece of understanding the fit though is understanding the shape of the patient's leg. So for someone who has a more bulbous leg with some muscle tone to it, you might need to, if you're on the upper end of the range for medium, say, you might bump up to a large. If, say, this was an atrophied leg that didn't have a lot of muscle tone and you were right on the lower end of the medium, you might want to size down.